The internet is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge every day, some fizzle out while others become game changers. Clonely AI falls firmly in the second category. This revolutionary tool promises to change how we create and launch websites. Imagine this: cloning any website in just 60 seconds. That's the power of Clonely AI. Clonely AI isn't just a catchy name, it's a statement. Building a website has always been a time-consuming process, often requiring technical expertise. Clonely AI throws those barriers out the window. It empowers anyone to create a website quickly. No coding experience needed, no design skills required, just pure, unadulterated website cloning power at your fingertips. In a world dominated by online presence, Clonely AI emerges as a beacon of simplicity and speed. But what lies beneath this bold claim? Let's dive in and explore the ins and outs of Clonely AI. At its core, Clonely AI is a website cloning tool. That means it replicates existing websites. You input a URL and Clonely AI creates a pixel-perfect copy. But it's not just about copying, it's about empowering you. You can customize the clone to your liking. Think of it as a master baker. You provide the recipe, the website URL. Clonely AI bakes the cake, clones the website. Then you can add your own frosting, sprinkles, and decorations, customizations. This includes changing colors, fonts, images, and text. But Clonely AI goes beyond. It also takes care of the technical side. It hosts your cloned website, meaning your website has a home on the internet. No need to worry about servers or technical jargon, and there's more. Clonely AI can even generate content for your website. This includes text, images, and even videos. This makes it even easier to get your website up and running quickly. Traditionally, building a website was like constructing a house. You needed blueprints, design, materials, content, and skilled labor developers. It was a time-consuming and often expensive process. Clonely AI flips the script. It's like buying a pre-built house. You can move in immediately, then redecorate and furnish it to your liking. This makes website creation significantly faster and more accessible. Small businesses and entrepreneurs often struggle with limited resources. Clonely AI levels the playing field. It provides them with a powerful tool to establish a strong online presence. They no longer need to rely on expensive developers. But Clonely AI is not just for beginners. Even seasoned web developers can benefit from its speed and efficiency. It allows them to quickly create prototypes and test ideas. Clonely AI is a versatile tool that caters to a wide range of users and needs. Let's witness the magic of Clonely AI firsthand. Imagine you stumble upon a website with a design that resonates with you. You want to emulate it for your own project. With Clonely AI, this is how you do it. First, go to the Clonely AI website. Paste the URL of the website you want to clone into the designated field. Click the clone button, then sit back and watch. Within 60 seconds, Clonely AI works its magic. Once the cloning process is complete, you'll be redirected to the Clonely AI editor. Here you can customize your cloned website to your heart's content. Change colors, fonts, images, and text with ease. Add or remove sections as needed. Section 5. Unlocking the power of Clonely AI, top features. Explored Clonely AI is packed with features. These features are designed to make website cloning and customization a breeze. Let's delve into some of its most impressive capabilities. The drag-and-drop editor provides an intuitive way to customize your website. Easily move elements around, resize them, and change their properties without writing a single line of code. Clonely AI offers a library of pre-designed templates. These templates cater to various niches and industries. This saves you time and effort. You don't have to start from scratch. Clonely AI seamlessly integrates with popular marketing and analytics tools. This allows you to track your website's performance and optimize it for better results. Section 6. Who should embrace Clonely AI? Clonely AI is a versatile tool. It caters to a wide range of individuals and businesses. So who can benefit the most from its capabilities? Startups and small businesses can leverage Clonely AI to establish a strong online presence. They can do this quickly and affordably. They don't need to invest heavily in web development. Entrepreneurs and marketers can use Clonely AI to test different website designs and landing pages. This helps them identify what resonates with their target audience. Anyone who needs a website but lacks technical expertise can benefit from Clonely AI's simplicity and ease of use. It's a great tool for bloggers, artists, and anyone who wants to share their work online. Section 7. Weighing the scales, the pros and cons of Clonzey AI. Like any technology, Clonzey AI has its pros and cons. Understanding both sides is crucial. This helps you make an informed decision. Let's examine the advantages and disadvantages. On the plus side, Clonzey AI is incredibly fast and easy to use. It allows you to create a website in minutes. It requires no technical knowledge. It's also very affordable. It offers various pricing plans to fit different budgets. However, Clonzey AI has limitations. The level of customization, while extensive, might not be as granular as building a website from scratch. Also, relying heavily on cloning might raise concerns about design originality. Ultimately, Clonzey AI's benefits outweigh its drawbacks. It's a powerful tool for anyone who wants to create a website quickly and affordably. Section 8. Clonzey AI pricing, availability and launch details. Clonzey AI offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different needs. These plans range from a free trial. The trial offers limited features. They also have premium plans. The premium plans provide full access to all features. The pricing is subscription-based. You pay a monthly or annual fee. This gives you access to the platform and its features. The exact pricing details are available on the Clonzey AI website. Clonzey AI is currently in beta testing. A limited number of users have access. However, the official launch is just around the corner. You can sign up for the waiting list on the website. Section 9. Clonzey AI's potential, a glimpse into the future. Clonzey AI is poised to revolutionize the way we build websites. Its speed, simplicity, and affordability have the potential to democratize the web. This allows anyone to create an online presence. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated features from Clonzey AI. Imagine being able to clone websites with multiple languages. Imagine automatically adapting them to different screen sizes. Clonzey AI is not just a tool, it's a glimpse into the future of web development. A future where creating a website is as easy as a few clicks. While it's still early days, Clonzey AI has the potential to disrupt the web development industry. It empowers individuals and businesses. It gives them the tools to thrive in the digital age. The future of web creation is here, and it's incredibly exciting.